I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting pagination now. Open the document and switch to print layout so pages match printed output. Once done, place the cursor at the exact spot where numbering should begin, commonly the first page of main content. Make sure to break sections if you need different numbering styles. Go to Layout Breaks Next Page. This creates independent header/footer areas. These steps set the foundation so numbering behaves predictably when you insert page numbers and change formats. Now insert the numbers. Go to Insert, then Page Number, and pick top or bottom and a basic style. You can change it later. Once inserted, open Page Number Format Page Numbers to choose number format, set starting value, or switch to Roman for front matter. If you broke sections earlier, use Header and Footer tools, click Link to Previous to unlink sections so formats differ. This gives you control. Different headers restarting at 1, or mixing Roman and Arabic numbers. Finish by cleaning up. To hide a number on a title page, open Header and Footer and enable Different First Page. Remove the number there. Adjust header/footer distance or margins if numbers sit too close to edges. If numbering still skips or repeats, inspect section breaks and confirm Link to Previous is off between sections, then reapply format page numbers where needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If numbering is wrong, delete the page number in a section. Reinsert it after ensuring the section is unlinked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.